Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. So in order to put a window on a full screen, you can either double tap the top bar of the window and then double tap it to minimize it or to demaximize it. You can grab the top bar of the window and drag it to the top of the screen and then drag it down to demaximize it, or you can use this icon right here. Simply click on it to put it on a full screen, or click on it again to demaximize it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.